Hi guys, today I wanted to share a really delicious and easy recipe for my Italian meatballs. Now that we're all quarantined at home, it's the perfect time to try some new recipes. I know I've been cooking so much more since we've been home. The only change I made from traditional Italian meatballs is that I use ground chicken instead of ground beef. But here is everything you'll need to get started. A crock pot, cooking spray, onion powder, olive oil, crushed tomatoes. I used two 28-ounce sized cans, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, agave, ground chicken. This is a 3-pound package, but I'm only using 2 pounds. Salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, paprika, Italian seasoning, and minced garlic. Once you have all the ingredients in the bowl mixed together, I like to throw on a pair of disposable gloves, and then I just hand roll them into the size of about a golf ball. Then I place them on a cookie sheet that has been sprayed with cooking spray. I bake it at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. We love to serve our meatballs with pasta and also love to top it with some fresh Parmesan cheese. If you want to add a side of garlic bread, all you'll need is French bread, butter, garlic powder, and paprika. Just add the butter, paprika, and garlic powder to your bread and toast it to desired crunchiness. So that's it. And I usually make enough so that we have leftovers because my kids also love to make meatball sandwiches. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying safe, well, and sane. Thanks for watching. Bye.